Guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your position on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on positions here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Here I have no open positions here in this list. So you will find here open positions, in here orders, just click on it. And then here I have no pending orders, or here can you find closet. So I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.